Okay, now unboxing my Spring Fling Voxbox from Influenster. Here's the box. Okay, the first item we have is the Soft Lips Cube 5-in-1 Lip Care. It's a lip protectant and sunscreen, SPF 15. We also have the Rimmel London Mascara, Scandal Eyes Retro Glam Mascara. It's in extreme black. And we also have Kiss Everlasting French Real Short Length Nails. It's no chip and it's self tabs. We also have a Labor Day car freshener. It's from the movie Labor Day. And let's see, we also have Nivea body lotion, skin firming hydration body lotion. And the last thing we have is the Playtex Sport Fresh Balance tampons, regular absorbency. And that is this month's Spring Fling Voxbox from Influenster.